Hey there, so to install Capital One Mobile on iOS, just go to the App Store app and then you just need to confirm with your Touch ID and then you can just install it. So this is one of the top finance apps recently. Because you can just utilize all these mobile banking features and it works pretty well. That's the app. It works with iOS, it works with Face ID or Touch ID. You can use CreditWise, you can use Zella integration with this app, redeem rewards, report fraud, activate credit debit card and all of that. So pretty a lot of features here, and you can see 3 million ratings and 4.8 out of 5. That's pretty impressive. So then just tap open